In this series of videos, we present the available stitch types and their properties. This video is about the step type. Step fill creates a series of parallel stitch lines that follow the same direction. It is used to evenly fill large areas. The type remains the same: parallel lines with continuous stitches at a standard spacing. You can easily set any digitized object to step by simply selecting it and choosing the step type from the embroidery properties. You can change stitch direction using the Stitch Flow tool. Alternatively, you can first select the step in the embroidery parameters and then digitize a new shape or draw a ready-made one. This icon means you need to define the direction of the stitches before creating the new object. You can customize step fill using the available property options. Density, length, and compensation depend on your chosen fabric. If you change fabric, the parameters will adjust automatically. Density defines the distance between two consecutive stitch lines that have the same directions. Lower density means tighter stitching and fuller coverage, ideal for heavy fabrics. Higher density offers lighter coverage, better for lighter fabrics. Length option defines the distance between the needle penetration points along each row. Shorter lengths create tighter coverage for small areas or curved shapes. Longer lengths give glossier texture but looser stitching. Compensation corrects the fabric distortions during the embroidery process to preserve accurate shapes by adjusting how much the step goes over the initial outline. Use lower compensation for heavy fabrics like denims and higher for stretchy ones. Underlay is running stitches placed beneath the step fill that stabilize the fabric, creating a base layer for the optimum embroidery quality. You can preview the underlay only with slow redraw. The software automatically selects the appropriate underlay for your project. You can also set an underlay manually. Selecting packing means that there will be no underlay. The software adds only the necessary stitches to travel the machine from point to point to cover the area with a step fill. Edging adds running stitches following the shape of the object along the edge of the outline. Packing covers the area of the object with running stitches vertical to the direction of the step. Netting covers the area with diagonal stitches at 45 and minus 45 degrees. Packing plus and netting plus is a combination with edging underlay. Objects with complex shapes or entry-exit points often require step fill to be stitched in separate sections that meet at junctions. In that case, overlapping is set by default to 4. That number shows how many step rows from one section overlap with the previous one at the meeting points, preventing gaps caused by fabric pull. Finally, using the fixing and locking options, you can adjust the way securing stitches are added. By default, Auto is applied and the software intelligently decides whether fixing stitches are technically necessary based on the object type, stitch density, and overall sequence. If you choose Never, then no fixing stitches will be added, forcing a soft start. If you choose Always, then fixing stitches will inevitably be added at the start of the object. Likewise, you can adjust locking stitches as needed. Thanks for watching.